Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss out, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play God's Plan by Drake. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's two chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C6 and D6. If you know how to play those two chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to a later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn to play is C6. Now with this chord, you don't have to press your fingers down on the fretboard. Just keep your strings open. C6 looks like this. And our last chord is going to be D6. To play that, just take your first finger and press down on all four strings of the second fret. This is D6. Now the chord progression for this song is pretty simple. It's just going to be C6 for 4 beats and D6 for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, down, up, tap, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern on the C6 chord. Down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up. And now let's apply the strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through God's Plan. I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to hang out with me. You know how I like it when you talking with me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, things were different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't, yep. I feel good, sometimes I don't, ayy. I finessed in Western Road, ayy. Might go down to G-O-D, yeah. I go hard on Southside G, yep. I make sure that no side E, yeah. And still bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing, they wishing on me. Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing, they wishing on me. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play God's Plan by Drake. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.